Throughout history, there have been many strange objects discovered that seem to defy our understanding. These items have sparked curiosity, leading people to wonder if they might have origins beyond our planet. Imagine finding a tiny, unusual artifact buried deep in the ground, or stumbling upon a peculiar object that looks out of place in our world. Some of these objects are ancient, seemingly from lost civilizations with technologies far ahead of their time. Others appear to be modern anomalies that defy scientific explanations. While science tries to understand and explain these curiosities, many remain shrouded in mystery. Join us as we explore 30 of these odd objects that have left us questioning hundreds, and its origin is often described as being tied to a noble Italian family. According to legend, the vase was cursed by a member of the family who was dying, cursing it to bring misfortune and death to its owners. Over the years, stories emerged about the vase bringing harm to those who came into contact with it. Number 29. Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa. Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa are two ancient cities in what is now Pakistan and India. They were part of the Indus Valley Civilization, which existed around 2500 to 1900 BCE. These cities are remarkable for their advanced urban planning and technology. Mohenjo-Daro and Harappa had well-organized streets, sophisticated drainage systems, and large public baths. The buildings were made of fired brick, and the cities were laid out in a grid pattern. The level of planning and engineering filled with strange writing and bizarre illustrations. Discovered in 1912 by Wilfrid Voynich, this manuscript is written in an unknown language or code that no one has been able to decipher. It's filled with colorful drawings of odd plants, unknown celestial objects, and strange figures, adding to its enigma. Dating back to the early 15th century, the manuscript is named after its discoverer, but its origins remain a puzzle. Experts believe it was created by someone with a deep knowledge of botany, astrology, and medicine, but no one knows who or why. The text and illustrations don't match any known language or script, and its contents seem disconnected from any known historical or cultural context. Number 27. Antikythera mechanism. The Antikythera mechanism is a advanced technology which seems far ahead of its time. The intricate design and precision of its gears suggest a level of engineering knowledge that wasn't thought to exist in ancient Greece. This has led some to wonder if it might have origins beyond our world or time. Number 26. Allan Hills 84001 meteorite. The Allan Hills 84001 meteorite is a fascinating space rock discovered in Antarctica in 1984. Scientists believe it came from Mars because of its chemical makeup, which matches the Martian surface. The meteorite is about 4 billion years old, making it a valuable piece of the early solar system. What makes Allan Hills 84001 especially intriguing are tiny structures inside it that look like fossilized bacteria. When NASA scientists examined the meteorite in 1996, they found these tiny shapes and dates back to the 19th dynasty during the reign of Ramesses II. What makes the king list of Turin so mysterious is its inclusion of rulers who supposedly reigned for thousands of years. These mythical reigns seem impossible and have led some to speculate about its origins. Some people think it might be evidence of advanced ancient knowledge or even contact with beings from another world. The list's combination of historical and mythical elements makes it a puzzle. Number 24. Hope Diamond. The Hope Diamond is a large blue gemstone known for its beauty and its notorious curse. It weighs 45.52 carats and is valued at $350 million. Found in India in the 1600s, it was once part of a larger stone known as the Tavernier Blue. The diamond changed hands many times, each new owner experiencing misfortune. Since then, the curse seems to have lifted, and it has brought only fascination and beauty to its viewers. Number 23. Lolodov plate. The Lolodov plate is an unusual artifact that has puzzled many people. It is a stone disc about 12 inches in diameter, believed to be from Tibet and estimated to be around 12,000 years old. The plate is made of a smooth stone and has intricate carvings on its surface. The most striking feature of the Lolodov plate is the depiction of a central spiral, surrounded by various shapes and figures. One of the most curious aspects of the plate is a figure that resembles a classic depiction of an alien with a large head and big eyes. This has led to many theories suggesting that the plate might be evidence of ancient extraterrestrial contact. Some researchers believe the spiral design could represent. In 1960, the US Navy spotted a dark object moving in a polar orbit, which was unusual because satellites usually follow equatorial paths. This object became known as the Black Knight satellite. Some theories suggest it could be an ancient extraterrestrial probe monitoring Earth for thousands of years. Others think it might be space debris or a lost piece of a man-made satellite. Number 21. Mummified Mermaid of Japan. The Mummified Mermaid of Japan is a fascinating and eerie artifact. Discovered in the early 18th century, this strange object is said to have been found in the waters off the coast of Japan. The mummified creature measures about 30 centimeters, 12 inches long, and has the upper body of a human and the lower body of a fish. Legend has it that these mermaids were caught by fishermen and preserved as relics, believed to possess mystical power. Germany, on April 14, 1561. Early in the morning, residents witnessed a bizarre and frightening spectacle. The sky was filled with strange objects, including cylindrical shapes and spheres of different colors. These objects seemed to be engaged in a sort of aerial battle, moving erratically and clashing with one another. Witnesses described a large black triangular object and a series of smaller, bright discs and globes. After about an hour, the objects appeared to fall to the ground in a cloud of smoke. This phenomenon was later documented in a woodcut by Hans Glaser, along with a written account. Number 19. Circular boat that visited Japan in 1803. In 1803, a mysterious event occurred in Japan involving a strange circular boat. This boat, known as the circular boat, was said to have just as mysteriously as it had appeared, leaving no trace behind. Number 18. Russian UFO tooth wheel in a coal mine. Utsurobune is a fascinating and mysterious story from Japanese folklore. The name Utsurobune translates to hollow ship or empty boat. This tale dates back to the early 19th century, around 1803, and involves a strange encounter with an enigmatic vessel. According to the legend, a mysterious boat drifted ashore in Japan, specifically in the coastal areas of the Ibaraki prefecture. The boat was described as being round and about 16 feet in diameter. It was made of an unfamiliar metal-like material and had a smooth, shiny surface. Inside, the boat contained a single, beautiful woman who appeared to be of foreign origin. She was dressed in These lines include over 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 animal figures, such as a spider, a monkey, and a hummingbird. The largest figures can span up to 1,200 feet long. The lines were made by removing the reddish-brown rocks and soil to reveal the lighter-colored earth underneath. They are best seen from the air, and their true purpose remains a mystery. Some theories suggest they were used for astronomical or religious purposes, while others believe they were part of water rituals or even messages to the gods. Number 16. Dogu figurines. Dogu figurines are small, ancient sculptures from Japan made during the Jomon period, around 1000 to 400 BCE. These figurines are usually made of clay and are known for